Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection, and then we can enter the Play Store. In order to be able to follow all of my instructions, you will have to have the Google account added to the device. You can do it with the usage of our tutorial. You can learn how to do it, or you can do it right here. So either log in or sign up, and then we can enter the circle, which is your account. Then let's tap on Manage Apps and Device and tap on Manage. And as you can see here, we've got the list of all currently installed apps, and to check the updates, we have to tap on Updates Available, and as you can see in my case, I've got only 2 different apps to update. Of course, probably you will have much more of them, and you can mark all to update all of them. You can choose only one, for example, like this one, and then tap on this update icon in the right corner. And as you can see, our device will right now download the update, and after that it will be successfully installed and automatically updated, so you do not really have to do anything more, just wait patiently. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.